We had a competitor and we just were not impressed with it as far as the reliability and the amount of shelling on the ground. We made the switch to Geringhoff and we will never look back. So this is our third season on this 12-row behind us. It's been running really good. Super impressed with it as far as head loss, reliability, that kind of stuff. It's a big deal to me when you can run all day without breaking down. That's the biggest thing on the farm that kills the guys when you're broke down sitting. And the amount of uptime with this thing is super incredible. It just runs. So number one, I like the folding option. That's really nice. It's equipped with HeadSight, so it follows our terrain. A guy can't run that manually in our fields. It's pretty much impossible, so that takes a lot of stress off the operator right there. I like the end row augers. If you get in some down corn, that does a really good job bringing that up in there. This is a North Star, and it does a pretty fantastic job. Definitely is way better as far as residue management versus what we were running before. It sizes it up good. If a neighbor would ask me why I purchased a Geringhoff head, I would tell them it's mainly because of reliability, and the dealer service is really good behind them. You can call these guys at any time. They'll help you if you have any problems, and that's huge to me.